Hey everyone, G here, and welcome back to another G's Bike Shop video. As a new truck owner, I wanted to add a bike mount that was simple and affordable. So in this video, I'll show you guys how to make that mount. Let's get started. First, we'll remove the 5 bolts that hold the back trim of the truck bed. Next, from my local hardware store, I purchased this galvanized slot steel welded angle for about 15 bucks. Then I measured it to size, cut the excess off, and painted it black with some Rust-Oleum paint. Then I purchased these 2 Amazon bike mounts, one from Saris and the other one from Rocky Mounts. The Saris one cost about $30 Canadian, and the Rocky Mounts one was $50 Canadian. Both of these are really great mounts, so depending on your budget, you can choose either one. For about $5, you can purchase some hardware to mount the bike mounts to the slotted angle. Then finally, using some washers, you can mount the slotted angle and the bed trim together. And there you have it, a bike mount for your truck that is affordable and easy to use. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Subscribe to help support the channel. And as always, get outside, ride some trails, and have a great day.